4 unwritten office etiquette drama prevention rules that nobody tells you. You have to know these rules, and it can't be stressed enough if you want to go far in your career. People have lost their jobs or faced absolute embarrassment when not following these. They wish they knew better earlier. And no, these aren't going to be handed to you in an employee handbook or an orientation or induction program. You may think these are not relevant for you, but after watching this video, you'll begin to see things differently. Let's begin with the obvious ones and then move towards the complex unwritten rule. Don't gossip. Legit, the more you do it, the more you'll be digging your grave deeper and deeper. You see, every story has three truths. One is yours, second is theirs, and the third is the actual truth. The beautiful human mind is made in such a way that it thinks I'm the only one who's right. You'll think you're doing no harm with a small chatter here and there, but things blow out of proportions in a workplace before you know it. You see, everyone is trying to get ahead, and people are capable of going to any lengths for that, including framing you as the gossip monger. Gossip is such a thing, you do it a little bit and spread or hear rumors, and before you know it, you're the culprit, you're the pot stirrer, and your reputation would fall and crumble to the ground. And if you gossip about others, they're gonna think you gossip about them behind their backs. No matter what, don't discuss politics and religion. There is a reason it's one of the most popular advices. Sure, discussing legislation and parties gives a sense of belonging to many, and people love to be unpaid advocates for their favorite politician. But really, there are going to be many who don't agree with your thoughts and practices. They're going to be as strong-headed as you are when it would come to protecting their truth. These discussions get heated soon, and before you know it, the person who spends so much time indulging you, despite being your best friend at work, might start to resent you. So think what you like and passionately as you do, but keep it to yourself. Don't get greedy with the drinks or dinner. You got no idea how many times people will want you to slip on your tongue and say something that can be used against you. It's not limited to movies. You have no idea how many people are watching you in silence and waiting for you to things up. Never get too drunk at any office party. Don't hit on someone while you're tipsy, and definitely not run your mouth when you've had a little too many. Never ever think the free-flowing drinks are charity and a good bargain. There's a saying to always despise free lunches. On the face of it, these are team lunches or celebration nights or whatnot, but they are only for claiming tax returns in the name of employee benefit. Never show your frustration and anger to your boss. You are in capability to perform at your job. Your frustrations or any other problems that you have is the last of their concern. They are there to fill their cup first, just like you. Oh, but my boss cares for me and is such an open-minded person. No, he or she only appears to be this way because they want work done from you. They're going to think that you don't have it under control and you lash out or you get worked up quickly, but this is going to tarnish your professional image in the long run. And before you know it, you're going to signal to your manager or team leader that yes, maybe they can't trust you with a task. You need your boss to be on your side and not against. Humans are such complex, thoughtful beings that your 100 good deeds will be forgotten after 1 minute of display of anger. Save the hassle and punch a punching bag at the gym or journal to manage your emotions better, but don't make these mistakes. So here's a recap. Gossip is a no-no if you want to be taken seriously. Politics and religions are off the table discussion. Despise the free lunches and free drink. Hide your frustration and anger from your boss. They don't care. Subscribe for more obviously understood employment tips.